We're back in Paris, where 250,000 farm machinery lovers are converging for the Sima show.
This year manufacturers have come from as far away as Japan and China, but there's been a good turnout from the French market too.
We're going to have a look at some of our favourites.
Sprayers don't get much bigger than this colossal prototype from Matro. The booms are 48 metres wide, the wheel track's up to 4.5 metres, and there's enough clearance under the body to park a small 4x4.
The Fendt 1000 will be the biggest conventional tractor on the market when it goes on sale next year. At 500 horsepower it butts heads with the Quad-Trac and Challenger, but it's still on wheels.
If you've got 100,000 euros to spend on a muck spreader, this is what you get. This Dong Reveal machine has got a 40-ton hopper, 3 axles and a central tyre inflation system.
Perrod reckons its new Interbend Chaser is the biggest in Europe. It holds 35 tonnes and will cost you a cool 80 grand. This weird looking machine has got a pair of linkages which at the front carries a flail mower and at the back carries a disc cultivator.
If you're after a bargain basement tractor with 150 horsepower and a CVT transmission, this old TYM might be worth a look.
If you're shopping on a shoestring, then 9 grand gets you a shiny new Dongfeng, 50 horsepower.
If you're in the market for a Deutz-Fahr 7 Series, but you're not a fan of green, help is at hand. You can now have one in black.
If you don't care about the badge on the front, then these mince-made beauties might be the things for you. You can get this new 200 horsepower tractor for a €70,000 list price. Bargain.
When it comes to trailers, the sky's the limit on how much money you can spend. We've seen plenty of people with these new hydraulic drive rear axles that can add as much as 50 horsepower.